So now we just have to review a little bit. It's going okay. Balance sheets for KinderCo show the following info. Prepare a statement of cash flow using the indirect method. That's the question again. And as you can see, I didn't necessarily do the cash flow statement like the way it's supposed to be from top to bottom. But if you can notice, it starts from here, stops there, goes here, stops there, goes right about here, and stops right here. And just for self notes, you know, there's a lot of steps in this question, but the things you have to notice are noting which transactions are your operating activities, right? Current assets, current liabilities, and then don't ignore this. Don't ignore this. This is very important. This kind of came first because in the operating section, the cash flows from operating activities, we started with net income, which was given to us under extra information, and then we started to add like the non-cash expense, you know, depreciation. We add the gain on sales of it was a sale of a long-term investment. Yeah, sale of long-term investments for the gain on because that's what can go into operating expenses. The actual full cash flow will go into investing activities, which we'll see in the next section right here. So we added the gain on sales. If it was a loss, we would subtract it, right? Accounts receivable, you know, inventory, accounts payable, accrued liabilities. Let's just follow the basic rule of, you know, if an asset increases, you subtract it from the net income. If a liability increases, you add it to the net income. If an asset decreases, you know, so this is just a good circle this rule follow. But you have to really understand like non-cash transactions and how these affect the net income. But anyways, we go here. We see that for investing activities, we have the sale of the long-term asset and the purchase of machinery, which obviously reduces cash flows. And then lastly, we finished with the financing activities. Dividends were paid out, so that reduces our cash flow. And then this plus this subtracted from this gives you 20,700, which if you do the math between these two is the actual difference between the cash and yeah, that gives you your, according to this, net increase in cash.